Hello and welcome. I'm glad you're taking this time for yourself today. For the next 5 minutes, we'll focus on simple, calming breaths to release any stress you're carrying. Start by finding a comfortable position. Sit up straight or lie down, whatever feels best for you. Gently close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Letting go of any tension. Take another deep breath in and release it fully. Feel your body beginning to relax. Notice the sensation of the air as it enters your lungs and then leaves, taking away any stress or worry with each exhale. Now, bring your attention to your breathing. Let your breath be natural and easy. Simply observe the rise and fall of your chest. The feeling of the air entering and leaving your body. There's no need to change anything. Just notice the rhythm. As you breathe in, imagine you're inhaling a cool, refreshing breeze, filling you with calmness. And as you breathe out, feel yourself releasing any heaviness or stress. With each breath, imagine your body becoming lighter and more relaxed. Picture yourself standing on a quiet beach. The sun is warm on your skin, and you can feel the gentle breeze on your face. The sound of the waves is soothing, washing away any tension you may have. With each breath, imagine the waves gently rolling in, bringing peace and calm, and then rolling out, taking away your worries. Take a moment to enjoy this feeling of relaxation, as if the rhythm of the ocean is syncing with your breath. Inhale deeply, feeling the calm wash over you. Exhale slowly, letting go of anything that no longer serves you. As we start to come back to the present moment, gently bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the surface beneath you and the air on your skin. Take one final deep breath in and let it go. When you're ready, softly open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm and relaxation with you throughout your day. I'd love to hear how this meditation made you feel today. Did you find a moment of peace? Share your experience in the comments below. Your reflections may inspire others. Take care, and remember, peace is always within you. Namaste.